Ever find yourself drowning in a sea of information, desperately searching for solutions to your problems? Welcome to Perplexity AI, your one-stop destination for unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Let me walk you through the steps. First, select your focus. Whether it's academics, writing, or delving into complex concepts with Wolfram, Perplexity AI has got you covered. Let's say you are diving into the world of academia. Simply select academic, enter your query. Let's say you're exploring different types of chemical equations, and voila! Perplexity AI generates comprehensive results for you to explore. But it doesn't stop there. Click on Search Image to find related visuals and ask any follow-up questions to deepen your understanding. You can also explore the related questions suggested by Perplexity AI. Now, click Collection, enter title and description to save your search result. Next, let's switch gears to writing. Maybe you need to craft an email about an international conference. No problem. Enter your prompt. And Perplexity AI will generate result for you to preview. Want it more concise? Just ask. And Perplexity AI will whip up a revised version in no time. But wait, there is more. Ever struggled to grasp complex concepts? Say hello to Wolfram. Enter your prompt, and Perplexity AI instantly generates result for you. Preview the result, ask any burning questions you have, or explore the related questions, and create collections to organize your newfound knowledge. And finally, let's not forget about YouTube. Select it as your focus, ask your query, and watch as Perplexity AI serves you up with results that contain text and relevant video links for you to explore. It's like having your own personal AI assistant guiding you through the vast expanse of information on the internet. So there you have it. With Perplexity AI, finding solutions to your problems has never been easier. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.